Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am recording my what's in my travel bag video. I think I might have previously recorded this. If I did, I will find it and link it down below. But I am leaving today in about an hour and a half to go to Phoenix to see my grandparents. So I wanted to film what I'm taking with me, some of my favorite products, the products I know I can rely on. When you go on vacation, you bring things that you know you love. That's what I'm going to be doing today, I guess. Whoop. Sorry, my camera's having a really hard time focusing on my face today, I guess. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, except for last week because I had a major case of strep and also a head cold that I'm kind of just slightly getting over, so if you hear anything weird going on, that's what it is. But yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below what your favorite product to bring with you when you travel is. Let's get right into the video. My little travel case here. It's kind of big, but that's alright. If it doesn't fit in my suitcase, I will be moving it into a smaller pink bag, but I think this will fit. I kind of made it so I brought less clothes so I can bring more makeup. That's just how I am, you guys. Alright, so let's get started. I'm just going to kind of scoot back a little bit so I can set it on my legs. And yeah, then we'll get packing. Alright, so the first thing I am going to put in there is my skincare products. If you haven't seen, I just uploaded a nighttime skincare routine a few weeks ago, so I'll link that down below for you guys. What I'm bringing for skincare is my Origins Focus. This is my Nitamins moisturizer. It's super good, and Phoenix is very dry, and I have very dry skin, so I have to make sure to bring a really good moisturizer when I go there. I go there every year for my spring break from college to see my grandparents, so it's a really fun time. This is my Aloe Pure Repair, Time Repair Serum. This is just the serum I use with my moisturizer. It also has a little bit of aloe in it, and since I have really sensitive skin, just in case I get a little burn, I'm bringing that with me. Right, so that was it for skincare basically. I don't really bring a whole lot with me. I don't do a full routine while I'm down there. I also do bring my Kirkland makeup wipes. These are my favorite makeup wipes from Costco. They're amazing. I'm also going to be bringing with me my NARS Long Wear Radiant Foundation. I am obsessed with that one, and also my Giorgio Armani, but I think this is almost out, so I might leave this here. If it wasn't out, I would be totally bringing this with me, but it's kind of out. I'm also going to be bringing my NARS Soft Matte Concealer, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. If these aren't focusing, I'm sorry, I'm trying my hardest. I'm also going to be bringing my Becca Backlight Priming Filter, my Marc Jacobs Dewdrops, because I'm going to want a little bit of a glow while I'm there, because I'm very pale because I'm from South Dakota, obviously. Let's do setting sprays. I have my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and my Morphe Setting Spray, which I'm almost out of both of those, which is going to drive me insane. Okay. So for contouring, I'm bringing with me my Kat Von D Shaded Light palette. This is really universal. I also use it as an eyeshadow palette when I go on vacation. So yeah, that's why I bring that with me. The next eyeshadow palette I'm going to be bringing is my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. This one's got a lot of really different colors, so I can do a red look or I can do a neutral look. So that's why I bring that with me. And then finally for eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to bring my Tartelette in Bloom palette. This one has a lot of matte shades, a lot of matte transition shades, so that is why I bring that. I don't know if that's going to focus or not, but oh well. And we have face powder. I'm bringing my Coty Airspun face powder, and while I'm there, we don't have MAC in South Dakota, so while I'm there, I'm actually going to be getting my MAC face powder. So when I get back, I'm going to do a haul, and I'll show you guys that. I use the Select Sheer face powder. I absolutely love it. Alright, I'm kind of just flipping over the bag so I can go work on the other side. One of the bronzers I'm bringing is my Marc Jacobs Limited Edition Coconut Bronzer. It's one of my favorite. They just announced, that bronzer is coming back this summer. They just announced it, so I'm super excited for that. And I'm bringing my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. Thank you. For blush, I'm bringing my my e.l.f. Tickled Pink blush and my Milani Luminoso blush. For highlighter, I'm bringing my Makeup Forever Pro Fusion shade number 2. Yeah, 2 I think. I'm also bringing Becca Moonstone and MAC Soft and Gentle. I'm so excited to go to the MAC store while I am there. It is one of my favorite stores of all time. Yeah, it's amazing. For mascaras, I'm bringing my Carbon Black Voluminous mascara from L'Oreal and my Too Faced Waterproof. Also, I'm going to be bringing for brows my Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown and my clear brow gel. For sponges, I'm bringing my EcoTools sponge and my Morphe sponge, the contour one. I'm also bringing my Tarte eyelash curler, a pair of eyebrow scissors, and a pair of tweezers. These two are essential. My face grows hair out the wazoo, and it's the most annoying thing, so I always have to bring tweezers and things like that with me. I'm also going to be bringing my little plate with me, so I have something to pump my foundation on. I'm going to be bringing the shade Lazy Daisy from Dose of Colors, which is actually the shade I'm wearing today. It's very natural and I like it a lot. The next one I'm bringing is Mondays. It's basically just a darker version of Lazy Daisy, so I like that. I'm also going to be bringing my Ofra Mini MUA Charmed liquid lipstick. As you can see, I only deal in liquid lipsticks. Alright, so now I have room on my table to stuff stuff down. So then I'm also going to be bringing 2 fragrances. The first one being Livia Belle from Lancome, which is my favorite. I'm actually going to spray some on before I put it in there. And I'm also going to be bringing Stella McCartney Pop. This one's just really, really fresh, and I think it'll go work perfectly with the climate there. I'm going to throw my makeup wipes in. And that is that. All my makeup is fitting in there. Now we're going to move on to brushes. I have this Morphe brush case that I always take with me. It holds a lot of brushes, and I love it. First, we're going to start with eye brushes. First one I'm going to bring is this little guy here, and I just use this to apply concealer to my lids to prime the eyes and also under my eyes. This is for my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. The next eye brush I'm going to bring is my Morphe E27. As you can see, it broke, so I did tape it together because I am too broke to buy another one. I'm bringing this little pencil brush from Crown Brushes. It's the C513 brush. It's very, very little, and I like it to smoke out the lash line. Next, I'm going to bring my Morphe M437 brush. This is to contour. I have got my Wayne Goss number 10 brush. This is a cheek brush. I use it to highlight. It's amazing. Next I've got my Morphe M511. It is a big, big blender brush, but I like it when I just do one shade in the crease. I am also going to be bringing my Morphe M167. As you can tell, all my brushes are Morphe. I love Morphe a lot. So this is just a little lid shade brush. That's why I bring that. I'm going to be bringing my little brush here. This is the Morphe E8. I use this for concealer or even blending out foundation in some areas. I'm going to be bringing my Artis Oval 8 brush. I am obsessed with this guy. This is my favorite foundation brush of all time, so I'm bringing that with me. The next brush I have is actually from Sigma. It is the Dual Fiber F50 brush. I remember, oh, who did I get this? Someone used this and just used it to like contour their face, and I decided I needed it. I bought this probably like 5 years ago. This is one of the best brushes I ever bought, and it's always going to be in my collection. I might have to buy a new one soon though. Alright, what do we got next? If you want to know, this is what I normally hold my brushes in. It is a mirrored, and it spins. My brother got me this for Christmas from Home Goods. have a good brother. Sometimes he's nice. Next I'm bringing another highlight brush. This is from Morphe. It's the M501. Here's another eye brush. This one is, where is this from? This is from Moda Pro, and this is EA BMX 430. It's a crease brush. I'm also going to be bringing my Morphe E6. Sometimes I need something else to buff out foundation, so that is coming with me. Blush brush. I'm using the Morphe E4 for my blush. I'm also going to be bringing this really teeny tiny little brush here. This is the Sigma waterliner brush, and this is in E17. It's really tiny. I use it to get really close to my upper eyelid, like right here, and buff out black eyeshadow. Next eye brush I'm bringing is the M441. I might have already said that one, but I'm bringing two. So, yeah. And then the last brush I'm going to bring is my Sigma tapered face brush. It's the F25. This is what I use to buff out all the powder from my face. Make sure everything is set, good to go. So yeah. Which I think that's it for all my brushes. I'm very stingy with the brushes today. Oh, I'm also going to bring this little, I don't think this is, oh, this is a Morphe brush, but I don't know the number anymore. This is a really tiny little concealer brush, and I use this to carve out around my mouth or add in anywhere that I really need a little concealer, but it's the other brush is too big for. So basically, that's all I am bringing with me, you guys. Usually I'm a bigger packer than that when it comes to makeup, but I'm trying to be really minimal this time. I'm only there from Saturday night to Wednesday afternoon, so it's not a really long time at all, so I don't need a whole lot of things. Some of the days I might not even wear makeup as it is. We're going golfing one day, we're going shopping, so there's going to be some days where I don't even wear makeup there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I take in my travel bag. So if you want more videos like this, more videos about traveling, or videos like a vlog or something, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, subscribe, and like the video before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.